This is DJI Flip FLY MORE, and today I'll show how you can disable the automatic power off when the aircraft legs are folded option on this drone. So in the beginning you will need to enter the camera view on your remote controller. Now launch the drone settings, enter the safety category, scroll it down and look for the fold arm to power off option. So here, if you would like for this option to be enabled, hence once you'll fold an aircraft arm, it will be switched off within 10 seconds automatically. You can keep this toggle on. If you want any of this automatic shenanigans and you would like to manually power your aircraft off or on, switch this toggle on. As simple as that. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.